Assalamu alaikum. This is my Unity 3D project and I have implemented Turing machine in it. And my level is 1. I have implemented the language in which number of A, B must be greater than or less than the number of C's. It will accept the string only if A, B's are greater than the number of C's or less than the number of C's. Now let's try the simulations. I am putting A, B, C, C. It must accept the state as A, B are less than the C's. Now let's try. Now A, B's are less and C's are greater, it have accepted. Now let's try the reject state. Now A, B and C are equal. It must reject the string. Yes, it is rejected.